Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we celebrate the feast of the Holy Family of Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Our celebration invites us to reflect not on an ideal family, but on a family shaped by faith, love, and obedience to God. The book of Sirach in our first reading provides us with a practical application of the fourth commandment: honor your father and your mother. It tells us that holiness in the family begins with respect. Respect shown through small daily acts of kindness, patience, listening, gratitude, and care that we extend to our parents, especially when they are old and weak. These acts bring blessings, forgiveness of sins, and a better life to children. St. Paul, in his letter to the Colossians, goes deeper. He tells us what should fill our homes, namely compassion, kindness, humility, gentleness, and forgiveness. These virtues help family members to be united. No family is perfect, but our families can become holy when we choose to forgive each other and begin again. After all, forgiveness is a profound expression of love. In the Gospel, the Holy Family faces danger. God gives instruction to Joseph in a dream to flee to Egypt. Joseph responds with obedience. He rose immediately. Obedience means listening and acting upon what is heard. Like the Holy Family, we too experience family dangers, challenges, uncertainties, and fears. But the Holy Family teaches us that a family that listens to God can withstand all difficulties in life. My dear brothers and sisters, respect, love, and obedience are what make a family holy. The Holy Family is holy not because life is easy, but because God is at the center of it. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.